Get ready for a berrylicious adventure. Dive into the world of blueberry processing powered by AI. From sorting secrets to packing perfection, you won't believe your eyes. Stay tuned for the juicy details. Harvesting. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the blueberry gathering process, making it more precise and effective. Harvesting equipment equipped with advanced sensors and computer vision systems is utilized to identify and meticulously select ripe blueberries. Computer vision algorithms identify ripe berries from photos taken by cameras mounted on harvesting equipment based on color, size, and hardness, among other characteristics. By differentiating between ripe and unripe berries, these algorithms make sure that only the best fruit is picked. In addition, sensors driven by artificial intelligence gather information on variables like temperature, humidity, and soil moisture content, enabling the harvesting apparatus to adjust its functioning accordingly. For instance, to reduce harm to the plants and berries, the machines may modify their harvesting trajectory and pace in response to real-time environmental data. Blueberry growers may achieve considerable cost savings and increased productivity by automating the harvesting process with artificial intelligence, all the while maintaining the quality and freshness of the collected fruit. Sorting and grading. To guarantee consistency and uniformity in quality, blueberries are sorted and graded after harvest. At this point, AI-powered sorting devices are essential. They use computer vision algorithms to classify the berries according to several attributes, including size, color, form, and flaws. As each blueberry moves down the sorting conveyor, high-resolution cameras take pictures of it. Artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms then use these photos to categorize the berries into various categories. Only the highest quality blueberries get to the next processing stage, thanks to the algorithm's ability to recognize and eliminate faulty berries, such as ones that are damaged or deformed. AI also makes it possible to grade and classify materials dynamically in response to quality standards and demand in real time. The sorting machine's capacity to continually modify sorting settings and criteria allows them to conform to shifting consumer tastes and market situations, maximizing production and profitability for blueberry processors. Washing and cleaning. To get rid of impurities, dirt, and debris before packing, blueberries go through washing and cleaning procedures after being sorted and graded. AI technologies play a critical role in streamlining these procedures to guarantee effective cleaning while reducing waste and water consumption. AI-controlled washing systems monitor and adjust parameters such as water pressure, temperature, and detergent concentration in real time to optimize cleaning efficiency. By analyzing data from sensors and feedback mechanisms, AI algorithms can dynamically adjust washing parameters based on the condition of the berries and the level of contamination. To guarantee complete cleaning, the AI system could, for instance, raise the water pressure or detergent content if the blueberries are extremely dirty. On the other hand, this system may use less water in order to save resources if the berries are reasonably clean. Predictive maintenance solutions driven by AI also keep an eye on the state of washing machines and identify any possible problems or malfunctions before they happen. These systems are able to foresee when maintenance is necessary and plan ahead for repairs by evaluating sensor data and past performance indicators. This keeps unplanned malfunctions at bay and guarantees that the washing process runs smoothly and effectively. Drying. Blueberries need to be dried after washing in order to get rid of extra moisture before packing. In order to guarantee that the berries are dried uniformly and gently without sacrificing their quality, artificial intelligence is essential to improving this phase. Artificial intelligence AI-driven drying systems employ a blend of sensors and algorithms to continuously monitor and modify drying settings. These variables include the drying chamber's temperature, ventilation, and humidity levels. Artificial intelligence algorithms have the capability to dynamically modify these settings in order to maximize drying efficiency, minimize energy consumption, and maintain the delicate texture of the berries. This is accomplished by continuously analyzing data from sensors and feedback mechanisms. For instance, the AI system could raise the drying temperature or airflow to hasten the evaporation process if the blueberry's moisture content is higher than anticipated. And in contrast, to maintain ideal drying conditions, the system may lower the temperature or modify the airflow if the berries are drying too rapidly or are in danger of overheating. Predictive maintenance systems driven by AI are also capable of keeping an eye on the state of drying equipment and identifying possible problems or malfunctions before they happen. These systems are able to foresee when maintenance is necessary and plan ahead for repairs by evaluating sensor data and past performance indicators. This keeps unplanned malfunctions at bay and guarantees that the drying process runs smoothly and effectively. The blueberries are prepared for packing once they have dried, and artificial intelligence is crucial in streamlining this procedure to guarantee precise and effective packaging procedures. Based on current inventory levels and demand, Integrated may dynamically modify the tapes, sizes, and styles of packaging. Artificial intelligence algorithms can improve packing designs to minimize waste and enhance efficiency by evaluating data from sensors and inventory management systems. For instance, the AI system may automatically modify the packaging process to meet an increase in demand for larger packaging sizes without affecting output. Each blueberry packet is inspected by computer vision technologies integrated into the packaging process to ensure proper labeling, presentation, and sealing. Artificial intelligence algorithms examine photos taken by high-resolution cameras to find any flaws or irregularities in the packaging, such as partially sealed or misaligned labels. These devices assist in maintaining product quality and preventing faulty items from reaching customers by instantly identifying subpar packaging. Artificial intelligence algorithms drive robotic arms that pack goods quickly and precisely, cutting down on human error and labor expenses. With amazing accuracy, these robotic devices can pick, arrange, and seal blueberry bundles, guaranteeing uniform quality and presentation for every packed good. Quality control. Artificial intelligence-driven quality control systems continually check the blueberries' quality during the packing process to make sure that only the best goods reach the market. Artificial intelligence systems can accurately identify flaws like bug damage, mildew, and bruises thanks to advanced picture processing techniques. These berries can detect and eliminate faulty berries before they are packaged by examining photos taken by cameras strategically placed throughout the packing process. This reduces waste and guarantees that customers only receive blueberries of the highest caliber. Artificial intelligence-powered quality control systems may evaluate data from sensors and other sources in addition to eye inspection to determine the general quality and the freshness of the berries. Sensors built into packing materials may keep an eye on things like the temperature, humidity, and gas concentrations inside the containers, giving important information about how the berries are doing. Predictive maintenance systems with AI capabilities track the state of processing equipment in real time, looking for wear indicators and any problems before they arise. AI algorithms are able to foresee maintenance is necessary and plan ahead for repairs by evaluating data from sensors and machine performance parameters. This keeps unplanned malfunctions at bay and guarantees that the processing line runs as efficiently as possible. AI is also used for supply chain optimization, which involves streamlining supply chain from the farm to the factory to the market. In order to effectively estimate demand, predictive analytics algorithms examine a variety of elements, including market trends, weather predictions, and historical data. This lowers expenses and minimizes waste by helping blueberry processors better plan production schedules, control inventory levels, and optimize transportation logistics. Sustainability and waste reduction. AI improves productivity and reduces waste at every stage of the manufacturing process, which helps make the blueberry processing operations more sustainable overall by guaranteeing that only the best berries reach the market. AI-powered solutions help limit food loss, maximize resource use, and cut water and energy consumption. In this video, we've now learned how artificial intelligence has completely changed the way blueberries are processed in factories by improving productivity, consistency, and sustainability along the whole supply chain. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore more fascinating things. In the next video, you'll see